Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2013 Range Rover Sport. So from any screen here, you've got nav here, second one up on the right hand side. Click on nav, and then you've got destination entry at the top there, destination entry, address or postcode, and we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston. P are the fantastic sat-nav system in this Range Rover. Defaults to numbers, not a lot of them do, so 5 and then 4, and even though it's only 2-digit postcode, you don't have to put a space in this, it recognises it automatically. JS, PR5, 4JS, that's it, and we have to click OK, and then just click go. Destinations nearby, please check the map. Well, that's we're sat on the forecourt.